Well, almost all of us are fond of Chatpata chaat. So in this video, I'm going to share, guess what? The recipe of aloo chaat. So let's go! Take some peanuts and roast them well. Now add some oil and fry them. Make sure that the peanuts are crispy, and when you are sure enough, keep them aside. Now put some more oil and fry the finely chopped boiled potatoes. Now add haldi or turmeric powder, add some salt, now add some cumin or jeera powder, now I'm adding my favorite Maggi Magic Masala. It adds a great taste. Don't forget to add some garam masala too. Mix them well and cook the potato for 5 to 6 more minutes. Now add the peanuts and mix it well. Now add the chopped onions, chopped tomatoes and mix them well. Now add some sew and some namkeen to it. At the end, sprinkle some chaat masala and squeeze some lemons onto it to add the heavenly flavor. Mix them well and voila! It's ready to be served. Well, if you want, you can garnish it with some tamarind chutney, some coriander chutney and also some coriander leaves. So if you like this recipe, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how was it. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such cooking and travel vlogs.